Hello Masterminds, it's time for me to react to some more funny videos.
Do you find it difficult to fall asleep? Do you want to kill your husband? Is it impossible to sexually arouse your partner? Well, it's time to learn about pillows, but not just any pillow. We're talking about My Pillow.
Hey Mike, how you doing? So you're here to tell everyone about my pillow?
Looks like you already got some nice pillows, so I don't need to tell you anything, but I'm here to talk about pillows that don't have nipples, you know, like the ones you sleep on. Right, so I got the idea one day when I was getting fucked real hard, but these guys took all my money, broke my neck, so there I was, flopping around like a fish out of water, and it was like, you know, God spoke to me and told me, Mike, pull yourself together, man, because you need to start selling pillows because, well, everyone uses pillows, you know, I'm sure you do.
Okay, yeah, I've used one before. Awesome.
Okay, now here's your standard everyday pillow. You know, you put stuff on it like your head and you're bouncing around. Then you got your jaw and you're so much pressure, your jaw can snap in half because you got all that physics of the weight of your shoulders.
Yeah, now that you mention it, my jaw does kind of hurt.
Yeah, I'm sure there's other reasons for that. Okay, now here we have memory foam. Everyone was obsessed with these. I'm sure you tried one at one point.
Yeah, and they made my neck kind of hurt.
Well, yeah, because, you know, they're just too soft.
Yep. It's no good.
All right, now speaking of too soft, check this out. We got ourselves a feather pillow. Now, feather pillows, you put all your weight on them, and look at that. They're so flat. Now, there's a reason for that. You see, scientists discovered that dinosaurs actually had feathers, and dinosaurs, as we all know, are a thing of the past. You got to move on.
Yeah, like, why would you still be using ancient old technology? I mean, nowadays we have new technology, right?
Right, yeah. Boy, you took the words right out of my fucking face. Now, I got some new technology right here. Now, this is your windpipe, right? One's going to your mouth, one's your butt. Now, all that air, you see, the way the body's built is air's traveling through, and it could break at any second now, and you can die, and then no one's can't straighten it back out. I know I can't. And so what I do is I take my pillow. You see, it can bend, it can fold, you can put weight on it.
Well, I mean, it's easy to see just by looking at the pillow that it's a premium, innovative new product and everyone should have one.
Why wouldn't you buy one?
I've always been told that seeing is believing, but that's a bunch of bullshit, and the only way to believe something's to feel it, and the only way to do that is to buy it. So, I usually sleep in my pajamas, but ever since I got my pillow, it's just been so much better to sleep totally naked and keep the pillow under my butt, you know? And it's great because no one takes it away because it stinks so bad.
Finding new ways to discipline my children isn't easy, you know? I've done everything from timeouts to pulling out chunks of her hair, but I mean, nothing beats the threat of smothering her little face using my pillow.
Doing drugs can make you feel wonderful, but it ain't right. And ever since I got myself a pillow, I stopped smoking dope. Now look at me, I'm sober. It's changed my life.
La la la, I need a lot of therapy because I hear voices in my head. And more often than not, the voices say that your mouth looks like a butthole with 2 extra butts on the sides.
Every night, I have a dream where I poop my pants. I wake up and sure enough, I'm covered in poop.
Sleep on a pillow. Awesome.
Please, somebody help. Adopt me.
A lot of people tell me I look kind of penisy, you know? Because I have a little neck and a big red head, and you know, a lot of women tell me it actually turns them on.
So I love to sleep on my side. And that's because there's a lot of advantages, like you can fart and there's no blockage and the same door's open for entry. And you can get really drunk, pass out, not choke on your barf, and die.
Well, there you go. It's a great product. You should buy it.
Late night shift again.
Calling all cars, calling all cars. Please be on the lookout for a sudden log in the road.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, God, today just couldn't get any worse. Just fuck me in the ass. That's all I need, man. Just someone to just fuck me right in the ass like this fucking job fucks me right in the... Oh my God, wait, who are you?
Oh, I just love these late night drives. Who knows what kind of groovy mysteries we're gonna solve tonight?
Yeah, I'm totally excited. I say we solve the mystery of, like, who's got the best tits in the van. Come on, ladies, whip them out, Bang Bros bus style.
Whoa, hold up.
Oh, fuck.
There's some guy laying down on the road over here.
Let's investigate.
Poor guy. What do you think happened?
Oh my God. He smells like raw butt sacks. Zoinks, it's like a total crime scene here, dude. There's a bunch of blood and cum back here in the back seat, dude.
Sodomy murder. Time of death, 12:47 a.m.
Hey, wait a minute. He's not fucking dead, Velma.
No, I'm alive. Here, take this, children. Solve the mystery. I'm dead.
That's sigh.
He just died?
Afraid so, Scoob. And we got our fingerprints all over the place.
Correction. Time of death, 12:48 a.m.
It says here, I, the ghoulish butt monster, have struck again. I lurk in the shadows right behind you. If you have a nice ass, I will find you.
He crashed his car just down the street, eh? Well, it's a good thing you kids decided to drop him off at my house. I'll, take good care of him.
Yeah, thanks.
It was that goddamn ghoulish butt monster that got him.
The ghoulish butt monster? Why, I thought that was, just a myth. You know, they say that he enjoys the natural wetness of a man's rear, how the balls bang up against one another like Newton's cradle.
Whoa!
Say no more. We will get to the bottom of this mystery. Thank you for watching over this man for us.
No, children, thank you for giving me such a fine specimen.
Oh my God! What the fuck happened? Lights out. This is perfect. Come on, guys. It's time for a good old-fashioned anonymous pitch black barn buttfuck session. Everyone, strip down. Come out.
I'm so fucking down for that shit, dude. Ready to get fucked all night.
Holy shit, it actually worked. Well, I don't know how the hell you kids solved this one, but, great job. When I get out of jail, I'm going to murder all of you children.
I highly doubt that Officer Johnson would let such a thing happen. Right, Officer Johnson? Officer Johnson?
Ooh, nice bling bling. Huh? Oh, fuck, finally some action.
Keep blowing, fat boy. Fucking idiot.
Nice laboratory you got here, sir. You mind if we ask you a few questions?
Yeah, dude, like where were you last night around 11 o'clock?
Ah, yes, last night. It's all rather fuzzy, but I do remember bits and pieces. I was here working late in the lab, trying to create the unthinkable.
Oh, like what, dude?
I was trying to create my own brand of soda, the refreshing taste of Mountain Dew, without the shitty, nerdy video gamer stigma attached to it. But after I drank my beverage, I realized I fucked up and drank my own pee, and I got dizzy and fell. Thank God my loving wife was there to slap me back to consciousness. And here I stand before you today. Oh yeah, and then I found this priceless, one-of-a-kind jewel in my pocket. Don't know where it came from.
A convincing story, Doctor, but that doesn't explain why your shoes are covered in feces.
Yeah, because your fucking dog shit in my lab.
Wasn't me. Oh boy, you kids sure outdid yourselves this time. I don't know how the hell you figured out this one.
It was rather straightforward, really. I first started with the hypothesis that perhaps the one-of-a-kind missing gem from the museum matched the gem that Mr. Stevenson had in his pocket. And after doing just a few minutes of research online and corresponding with the police, we quickly found out that he was indeed the thief. None of which would have been possible without the help of his wife, Grace.
Do you mind holding this one real quick? I'm trying to find my phone.
Oh, yeah.
And it's, God, I feel like I think I left it at home or something. Could you hold that? Thank you.
Come on.
God. Where is it? Just hold that, thanks. It's here somewhere.
One!
Oh, that's okay. It's pretty durable. Thanks. Jesus. Oh, I think I see it. I think it's in the bottom here. I think I got. You got that? Thanks. You don't got it? Oh, it's okay. It's clean.
That's okay.
Okay. It's all right. I think. Oh, I think I see it. If you could hold that. There we go. There it is. I think. No, you know, I think I did leave it at home. Yeah, we can just put those back. Thank you, though. Oh, hey. You want me to steal a few, or?
That's fine. Just drop it.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to get it washed again.
Okay.
All right, thanks, though.
Excuse me, do you guys just mind holding my book while I try and find my keys in my...
It's a good book. I read this one, actually.
Yeah, it's good.
I prefer chapter 12.
Have you actually read it?
Yeah, you don't believe me? By Jeffrey Hughes. It's my favorite
It's in here somewhere. It's in here somewhere.
I respect that. That's pretty hectic, actually. Yeah, thank you. Holy shit.
You know, I think I may have... I know, but I think I left it at home.
Well, what if you do you have a fire blanket? Thank you. Fuck yeah.
Oh, God.
You use both of these at the same time?
Oh, yeah. Double bangers.
Holy shit, that's tight.
Just 1 sec.
You got all the stuff.
Yeah, I know, but I can't seem to find the wallet.
Jeez Louise. This is an interesting
Collection?
collection.
Yeah, where?
I don't want to touch that.
Oh, don't worry, I just had it cleaned.
That's so weird. Sorry. So weird.
It's here somewhere.
Oh, I'm good.
This one's clean.
Yo.
I just had it cleaned.
What the fuck? Yeah, this is weird.
Hey, excuse me, do you mind just holding this for a quick sec? I think I left my wallet on the beach. Thanks. That's it. Hold that real quick. Thanks. That's it. Get that. Ah, jeez. I don't know where it is. Just pile that on there. Here, I'll just put it like that. Sorry, there's 300 bucks in it. I think it's probably gone.
Put this down
I think
now.
that's it. Yeah. Thanks, though.
So welcome.
Let's go check. Thank you.
What's this? Badge yourself?
Yeah, my pussy's really itchy.
Is it? Fuck, sometimes that happens, right?
I know, right?
I know.
It's probably all the sex.
Sure.
Book while I try and find them. I think I may have left them in the restaurant.
Sure.
Just, it's here somewhere. Am I just holding them?
Anybody, do you mind holding this? I think I lost my keys. Ah, shit. Hold that too. Thanks. God damn it. I know I put them here. Yeah, my parking's about to expire. So. Can you hold that? Thanks, man. They're here somewhere. Oh, I think they're here in the bottom. Yeah, I think. Oh, no. Don't you hate that when you lose your keys? Gotten so many tickets here. Thanks. Oh shit, hey! It's first edition. Can you grab that? No, I don't think they're in here. You got that, or? Damn, okay. I don't think I have, guys. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. You can throw it back though. Thanks though.
Hey, I think we have to put this all back in.
Why?
Because I can't find it.
Can you fit this all in? Not just the bag I'm talking about.
Damn it. Yeah, I was eating and then. No. Oh, I think they might be there actually. I think so. Can you hold that? Thank you.
I feel like we're being
Where is it? Oh, I see him here. I think at the bottom. God, parking's gonna expire too. Thanks so much. No, I think I lost him. Thanks though. Thanks anyway. You can throw that in.
Oh, you're gonna need that one right there. I mean, I'm gonna keep the Viagra. Is this real Viagra? It's probably fake. It's
No,
probably,
it's real.
Is it Molly?
I doubt it.
What the? No, these are like vitamin
Those
pills.
are definitely vitamins. Those aren't little.
What are the odds we take them?
Oh my god, you guys are the coolest people ever.
Yo, take a Viagra.
What is this?
No,
Oh fuck! This is so hard right now. Yo, I've had these before.
There's a camera right there.
Oh shit!
What the fuck? We on prank?
Yeah.
No, it's just a prank.
It's a prank, dude.
So you guys cool if you're in our video then?
Of course.
Like, comment, subscribe. Smash that motherfucking like button.
We were like, oh my god, that's how Phoebe runs. Nice, yeah. There's like a hidden camera right over there. Oh my god.
Hey guys, we're filming like a funny little YouTube video. Oh yeah. Nice.
Jalen just said, where's the camera?
Nice, she's right there in the backpack there.
I saw her too, and
Oh,
I
yeah.
thought she was moving unusually.
Yeah. Nice, that's hilarious.
Awesome.
Are you guys cool if we use your reaction for that?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Okay, have a good day, you guys.
Alright, Masterminds, that's enough funny videos for now. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Remember, be smart for your heart. Good night.